It's Christy Alley. Today we are making stuffed mushrooms, mashed potatoes, and asparagus, so let's get into it. First, you do need to gut your mushrooms. Supposed to use a brush to brush the oil onto the mushrooms, but I don't have one. I'm gonna preheat the oven to 425 and then put these in there by themselves for 10 minutes. And while that's browning, I have my cream cheese softening. Moved it to the back eye and put it on low to keep that warm. You know, I don't know that they're supposed to look like this.
Perhaps not.
But we're gonna keep going. These will go back into the oven for another 10 minutes. If you haven't noticed, I waited too long to start my potatoes, so of course I ended up having to wait even longer before I could eat anything. Also, I just love this handheld masher. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I really loved making it. I'm about to eat it now. Hopefully it's good. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Be sure to give a like if you liked it. Comment below your opinion on this recipe if you're going to try it, if you think it looks good or if you think it doesn't. Let me know. I would love to hear from you. Subscribe if you would like to follow along on my journey to and through a healthier lifestyle, while I will be documenting my stresses, my struggles, my anxieties, doubts, fears, successes, all for you! Because I'm just so fun like that. I hope y'all have a great rest of your week. Stay happy, stay healthy.
Heart healthy. Get it? A heart.